Lesson 2. We know that physics is a branch of science which deals with nature and natural phenomena. Science is supposed to be progress in a sensible, rational, step-by-step way, known as scientific method. We design experiments and tests to check the predictions. During the experiments, we study, observe, measure and assess. In this regard, correct and accurate measurement of physical quantities is very important and necessary. In this chapter, we shall study various methods used for correct and accurate measurement of physical quantities. The International System of Units. The present system of units, which is accepted and used worldwide, is International System of Units, SI. The SI system was developed and recommended by the General Conference on Weights and Measures in 1971 for international usage in scientific, technical, industrial and commercial work. Its full official name is System International de Unitas. In SI system there are 7 basic or fundamental physical quantities and their basic fundamental units. These are listed below. Basic fundamental quantity, basic fundamental unit, symbol, length, meter, m, mass, kilogram, kg, time, second, s, electric current, ampere, A. Temperature, Kelvin, K. Luminous intensity, candela, CD. Amount of substance, mole, mol. These are not all the quantities that can be measured, but there are many others used for measurement. The other physical quantities are derived from these fundamental physical quantities. Some of the derived physical quantities and their derived units are listed below. Physical quantity, formula, SI unit, symbol. Area, length into breadth, meter into meter, m square. Volume, length into breadth into height, meter into meter into meter, m cube. Speed, velocity. Distance upon time, meter per second. Acceleration, velocity upon time, meter per second square. Force, mass into acceleration, kilogram, meter per second square or Newton. Momentum, mass into velocity, kilogram, meter per second. Density, mass upon volume, kilogram per meter cube. Pressure, force upon area, Newton per meter square. Energy or work, force into distance, Newton meter or joule. Power, work upon time, Newton per meter second or watt. Tow, couple, moment of force, force into distance, Newton meter. Surface tension, force upon length, Newton per meter. Impulse, force into time, Newton second.